Justin Miller, Account Relationship Manager with North Central Co-op. We're standing here in a cornfield in Marshall County, Indiana to discuss fall armyworms that EYS field technician had discovered this week. Moth flight comes in from the south from late June to mid-August. They lay their eggs from about the 1st of July through mid-August. And then the larvae emerge from middle of July all the way out to October. And the time of attack is basically from the middle of July through the end of October. The fall armyworm, when it's newly hatched, is green in color, and they will move in a loping motion. They're smooth skinned, and then when they get a little bit bigger, they vary from light tan or green to almost black. They have 3 yellow to white hairlines down their backs with an equally wide wavy yellow stripe splotched with red next to those. And then when they're full grown, they get to be about 1.5 inches long. And when we're scouting for these insects, we look in the whorl of the plant, we look for whorl feeding, and then we also look for ear feeding because they will get into the silks and the ears and cause ear damage, is what we would be looking like at this time here today. Before treating with an insecticide, we want to inspect the larvae for white egg-shaped masses on the back of their heads. That would be a parasitic fly that will stop the feeding of the fall armyworm. So if those aren't present and we look and go ahead and decide to pull the trigger on insecticide treatment, we recommend the following products: Tundra, Tundra Supreme, Grizzly 2, Hero or Mustang Max. So in conclusion, if we notice damage and we need to identify the pest, then scout 5 areas of a field and while sampling 20 consecutive plants to determine the percent infestation. Then we treat if there's 75% of the plant showing damage and the plant is under stress. If there are any questions, please consult your local North Central Co-op ARM.